What you got, Murphy? Murphy, what you got? What you got? And there's Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly's watching. Miss Kelly. What's Murphy got? What's that? Who's that? Do you hear the telephone? And Linda's in there cooking and she in there. Linda?
Yeah.
You not going to answer your phone?
No.
Okay.
I know it's not Judy.
Okay, well.
I don't need to answer it.
If it ain't Judy, you don't need to answer it.
No.
He sure is loving that chicken. That chicken is his favorite thing.